I hate malls. I hate malls because they all look the same. It's just store after store after store. But I have just arrived in a country with the world's best malls. A country with really hot weather outside. So, they turned on the AC and built really cool malls inside. Welcome to Dubai, where they have an actual ski resort inside a mall. The snow is real.
It's freezing! It's so cold, my hands are frozen.
The ski lifts are real, and the fun is real.
Aline, what are you doing right now?
I'm going bobsledding. Bye, baby. But not yet, I'm not ready. I'm not mentally prepared yet. It's dangerous.
But this is nothing compared to what they built next. A real aquarium full of sharks inside a mall. People can enjoy the sharks from the outside, but they can also join the sharks from the inside.
It's my first time. I'm scared.
Here, you can dive with sharks underwater and look at people shopping nearby at H&M. How do you feel?
I feel happy to breathe again.
Oh my goodness. The malls in this country are not just about shopping, they're about having fun. They have a Go-Karting ring. They have an A380 plane simulator that you can fly. They have an underwater zoo with crocodiles that are large, parrots that are annoying, and jellyfish that is scary.
This is so cold. I can see my breath. Welcome to Dubai!
And at night, when it gets cooler, they built the world's biggest fountain show to entertain you. From shopping, to eating, to diving, to skiing, to ice rinks, to go-karts, to fountain shows. You can have the best time ever simply by visiting a mall.